Hi guys, in today's video we're going to use Bart AI and I'm going to show you how you can use it to analyze your competitors and their marketing strategy. So we want to find out what Nike uses as a marketing strategy and why Nike has been always the leader in the sneaker business, right? How they approach the customers, how they, create an empathy with users, how particular people are buying and why some people simply don't buy Nike, right? Let's see. Target audience, broad appeal. Nike targets a wide range of consumers from professional athletes to weekend warriors to casual wearers. This requires a diverse marketing approach. Okay. Emotional connection. Nike goes beyond just selling products. They focus on inspiring and empowering individuals to achieve their goals. Okay, marketing mix now. This is the formula, guys. Take notes. First of all, product. Nike invests heavily in research and development to create innovative and high performance products. They also offer a wide variety of styles and designs. Price. Nike products are generally priced at a premium, reflecting their quality and brand image. However, they also offer more affordable options to reach a wider audience, meaning they have something for the person with the $20 and the person with the $200, right? Okay, place. Nike sells its products through a variety of channels, including its own retail stores, department stores, sporting goods stores, and online retailers. The omni-channel approach ensures that consumers can easily find and purchase the products. Promotions. Nike is a master of marketing and promotion. They use a variety of channels. I need something more. Okay, key strategies. Storytelling. Nike uses powerful storytelling to connect with consumers on an emotional level. Social media. Nike has massive and engaged social media following. Collaborations. Sustainability. Strengths. Strong brand image. Nike is one of the most recognizable and respected brands. Innovative products. Nike is a leader in the product innovation. Effective marketing. Master of marketing and communication. Probably this is where a lot of you might find opportunity and the weakness. Premium pricing. Nike's products can be expensive, which may price out some consumers. Supply chain concerns. Nike has been criticized for its labor practices. Competition. Nike faces stiff competition from other athletic apparel brands such as Adidas, Under Armour, and I will include New Balance as well. Overall, Nike marketing strategy is highly successful. The company provides an effectively strong communication, brand image, develop, innovate. I think this is very good, guys. Sometimes you might, have to pay someone to do the marketing research for a competitor. We just use Nike, but probably if you include a couple of more questions, you might go a little in depth about what colors they use, how they come up with a logo, did the logo change, did the color of the logo change, right? How the size of the logo changed. Remember before there was this big squash, right now it's getting smaller and smaller on the shoes and merch as well. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.